As a third generation business, our family background is one of extensive years of experience. We at Ark Roofing Building Ltd specialise in providing a full range of roofing and maintenance services, supplying high quality, stylish and attractive roofing for all domestic, commercial and industrial properties across a wide range of areas. We offer a comprehensive tailor-made solution and service for all types of roofing and associated products, with professional, helpful advice ensuring a smooth process from concept to completion. We provide a wide range of services, including roofing, roof repairs, UPVC roof lining, flat roof installation, and emergency roofing repairs. We provide loft conversions, damp-proof coursing, pointing, brick restoration, soffits, fascias and gutters, and all kinds of handyman work. If you're in need of urgent repair work, crack tile replacement or ridge tile replacement, simply call our friendly specialist today on 0208 485 6251 for a free, no obligation quote. Our accreditations include TrustMark, Federation of Master Builders, Checkatrade, Trustatrader, and Trustatrader. All businesses, organisations and homeowners know that a quality roof will provide the best long-term protection for their properties. It is our company policy to achieve the highest standard of quality and endeavour to guarantee the best, most cost-effective solution for each individual project. Call us today on 0208 485 6251 and we will give you our expert advice for your specific project to put you in an informed position to make the right decision for you.